Machine learning sounds like those projects you can only do to help a mega corporation or bank. However, this is not necessarily the case. In this series, I want to document a practical case that I have applied data science into a day-to-day question. So here goes the first part. The problem and the data. When you are buying second-hand cars, we normally have a spec list that we want. For example, heated seat, cruise control, or perhaps a red car. But have you wondered how much are these options really worth, and in some cases, maybe devaluing the car? Sure, it's easy to find out the cost of an option when new, but on used market, an option could have positive impact. Think about manual versus auto, no impact, or even negatively impact on the price. Think about some strange and undesirable color combinations, for example. Wouldn't it be nice to have a system telling me that for a model year 2020 car, let's say worth 40k, a 50k mile puts the value down by 5 grand, but it's automatic, so the value is up by 2 grand. But it also have a red interiors, which is undesirable and takes the value down 500. To find out, we need to have the most important aspect of any machine learning or data science project, that is the data. The easier way to do is just go down to your favorite car marketplace website, write down every information that you care about the car, for example, what years, mileage, color, and options, etc. Or what you can do is to use a website automation to mine those data for you. This is sometimes called web scraping, and it is generally legal. And if you heard of robots.txt, it's basically an instruction to web scraping robots on whether the website owners allow you to scrape or not. However, this is generally unenforceable, and the worst thing they can do to you is to block your IP. So to avoid that, be sure to be super gentle when scraping the sites, making sure that you add lots of throttling times, using the longest time interval that you can afford to wait. This is the time that you wait between actions, and even better if the wait time is random. So also don't misuse the data when you have them by say selling them or abusing an election like what Facebook did. I use Python and Selenium web automation tool, and you can see it in action right now. The code is in the description below, so you could try it out yourself. Keep in mind that the website changes frequently and the scripts might not be working in the future, and you might need to update some parts of it. There should be plenty of tutorials online on how to do it, but if you want me to go through it, let me know. I might create a quick video on web scraping. Now look at this beautifully tabulated data. I'm super excited every time that I see clean tabulated data because there are so many fun stuff you can do with these data. Although I only have data for around 150 cars, a bit less than my liking, but it will do. We will see if we can find some interesting answers on the price of my dream used car. And be sure to tune in for the next part if you are interested as well.